Hello guys, it's me here again, Chige Natural Remedies. You are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to melt down that stubborn belly fat. Just things that you have in your kitchen. Honestly, this thing works so well. Not wasting much of your time guys. Let's just get into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video.
First thing we need for this recipe is our lemon. Lemon enhances metabolism, acid in digestion, reduces the absorption fat and toxic sugar, and it will make you lose belly fat easier and faster. It's just gonna make you to just lose it so fast and easier. First thing we need for this recipe is our apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar activates your metabolism, which helps your body to use fat as form of energy instead of storing it. It will help your body to use that fat as form of energy. That's what apple cider vinegar does. So that's the second thing we need for this recipe. I just want to introduce guys what we are going to use before I start showing you guys how to use it. So the next thing we have here is our cinnamon. Cinnamon also helps boost your metabolism, which helps with weight loss. Cinnamon seems to target the abdominal fats on your body more than other areas. That's what cinnamon does. It just targets that belly fat and more than any other part of your body. That's the work of cinnamon. So guys, the next thing we need for this, I just want to introduce guys all these things so that you can know the benefit of this before we start using it. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you guys how to make use of it, how to use it for more effective. I'll start by cutting the lemon and squeeze the juice. That's what I need, just the juice, and I don't need more. That's why I just decided to use my hand to squeeze it out.
This drink is a magic juice. It will melt fat and remove belly fat when you drink it the way you're supposed to drink it, because it's like morning and night drink. When you just drink it, it just will remove that belly fat. Keep on watching. It works so well.
Remove the seed. So guys, I'm going to set it aside. The next thing is 250 ml of water. That's what we need right now. So I'll start by mixing it. Just pay attention and see how I'm going to mix it. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So right now guys, I'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of lemon. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'll just mix this together. So guys, the next I'm going to add is my cinnamon powder. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. That's 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Then I'll just mix it. Make sure you mix it very, very well. Just take your time and mix it. Just take your time and just mix everything together. Just make sure you turn it very well. Sometimes it's settled at the bottom. The cinnamon just settled at the bottom. Just turn it very, very well. So guys, so last thing we need now is our honey. So I'm making use of organic honey. Make sure you make use of organic honey when you are doing your. Right now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of organic honey. And just mix it. Try to mix it very well. So guys, right now I'm going to tell you guys how to use this. Drink it in the morning, drink it 2 times a day. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, and after food at night, just drink it. Let it be the last thing you will drink while before going to bed. Okay? And it will give you a powerful result when you consume it early in the morning on an empty stomach. It's gonna give you a powerful result. You see the result after only a few days. When you do it the way you're supposed to do it and consume it the way you're supposed to consume it, after some days you just start seeing the result. Get this detoxing drink every morning. Just get this detox drink every morning before you eat. Just drink it before you eat so that it will flush out the toxins and get rid of excess belly fat. When you drink it in the morning, it's gonna just deflush everything and get rid of excess fat in your body. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.